Day, John.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. One of a kind. Kasi nag-iisa ka. Wala kang katulad at siyempre yung paborito mong chichiria, yung cheesy. Happy Mother's Day.
Hindi, si Nathan talaga yung reason. Bakit
Ayun.
yung naging nanay?
Oo nga eh. Thank you Thank you sa mga fans natin Si Mami Dam, si Mama. Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Ayun, si Baby.